Is your Firestick not working, or are you blocked from downloading your favorite streaming apps? Don't worry, here's the quick fix. A lot of people think jailbreaking a device is complicated or risky. Today, I am showing you exactly what it really means in 2026 and how to configure your device safely and legally. You are watching TechVibes. If you want to keep these apps running smoothly without any annoying buffering, make sure to use NordVPN on your device. Check out the installation link right down in the description and top pinned comment. So why does your default streaming setup feel so restrictive out of the box? Amazon locks the main system interface to its own store, which causes random network blocks, app installation limits, and heavy data throttling from your internet provider. Let us fix that right now and unlock your device safely and legally. Step 1. Understand the legal reality of jailbreaking. Modifying your system options to install external media platforms is entirely legal. You bought the hardware. You have the right to change your settings to allow third-party programs. Step 2. Uncover the hidden developer options menu layout. Go to your settings menu on the home screen. Click on My Fire TV or select Device and Software. Click on the About option. Hover over the name of your specific Fire TV device and click the Select button on your remote control 7 times. A notification text will appear at the bottom saying you are now a developer. Step 3. Turn on the independent application installation parameter safely. Go back one screen to the main My Fire TV menu page. Click on the newly visible Developer Options menu item. Select Install Unknown Apps or Apps from Unknown Sources. Click it to toggle the parameter to On. This unlocks your hardware so you can run awesome free legal tools like Plex and Tubi. Step 4. Install the Verified Downloader Application Utility tool. Go to the Find section on your home dashboard screen. Search for Downloader. Click Download and install it. This is a completely legal browser management app found inside the official Amazon App Store. Open the app and grant permission to access files so it can manage open source installation scripts smoothly. Step 5. Clear out your default system memory storage blocks. Go back to your main settings menu, click on Applications, select Manage Installed Applications. Scroll down through your streaming video apps and click Clear Cache. This removes temporary data blocks instantly. It makes your entire user interface feel super snappy. Step 6. Force stop running background tracking apps to free up system resources. While you are inside the Manage Installed Applications menu, look for any heavy utility apps that run constantly in the background. Click on them and choose Force Stop. This frees up your system RAM immediately. It focuses your processing power entirely on smooth video playback. Step 7. Configure your advanced network connection parameters to block data tracking. Go back to your main settings. Click on Network. Hover over your current connection and click Forget Network. Reconnect to your router, but choose the Advanced Layout option this time. Manually set your primary DNS to DNS 8.8.8.8. Set your secondary DNS to DNS 8.8.4.4. This routes your streaming traffic directly through the Google public servers. Step 8. Optimize your peripheral hardware links for peak video delivery. Make sure your streaming device is connected to a port labeled HDMI 2.1 for the cleanest digital signal transfer. For wireless router data connections, always link your hardware to the 5 GHz wireless network instead of the older 2.4 GHz band to maximize your bandwidth speeds. Check this out. It is a total game changer for video fluidity. Here is a quick pro tip to keep your newly unlocked device completely secure and operating at peak speeds. Go into your Preferences menu, click on Privacy Settings, turn off device usage data, and turn off Collect app usage data. Go to Data Monitoring and toggle it to Off. This kills hidden background tracking scripts. It saves massive processor power for an uninterrupted movie experience. It is an absolute no-brainer for privacy. Drop a comment below if you face any difficulty during the setup. I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video saved you some cash, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechVibes. You can absolutely unlock your device safely and enjoy free entertainment today. See you in the next one.